Welcome to J. Patel Mahila Science College. In chemistry S5BSc chapter number 4, last lecture discuss acidity of phenol. But today is discuss about factor affecting of acidity of phenol. Means phenol is acidic. Which factor is affected on phenol acidity? In first of all, factor is nature of group. Means which type of group attach in phenol. In semester 3 discuss R plus R minus means resonance effect, I plus I minus effect, inductive effect. These all are discussed in semester 2. This is concept are here phenol acidity affected means resonance effect and inductive effect both are affecting in this type of factor in acidic medium. Here phenol is acidic, but first of all factor is nature of group. Means which type of group is attached in phenol. This is more important. In generally benzene have a electron withdrawing and stability of negative charge through inductive effect. Means here benzene ring is simple. In benzene ring electron withdrawing and stabilize negative charge and electron through the inductive effect. Here any group is attached in benzene ring, then stabilized structure is possible. When nitro group is attached, where methyl group is attached, then resonance structure is possible. Means benzene have a electron withdrawing and stabilize the negative charge. Means benzene have a negative charge through inductive effect. Means inductive effect created by negative charge of electron withdrawing in benzene. Generally, here discussing about nature of phenol. Now, phenol is react with water and produce the phenoxide. Last reaction here phenoxide ion is produced. Now any substitution group means nature of group. Here two type of group is attached. Now first group J is electron releasing group. Electron releasing group. Now electron releasing group G is attached in this oxide, then stability is destroyed. Means this structure is destabilized. Means this structure is destabilized and create a inductive positive effect. Therefore acidity is increased. Therefore acidity of phenol or group is increased. Nature of group, here nature of group is electron releasing type group, and electron releasing group G is present in here. Now this structure is destabilized, means resonance type, and create a I plus effect, means inductive effect create, and inductive effect create to give a acidity is increased. Now second example, this type of oxide but here G group is electron withdrawing, then create a stabilized structure. Stabilized structure means not a resonance structure create, and give a I minus effect, and therefore acidity is decreased. This is the simple concept of factor affecting is nature of group. Nature of group is depend on inductive effect. When inductive effect I plus means resonance type structure, then acidity is increased. I minus, when resonance type of structure is not possible, then acidity is decreased. But benzene ring is almost electron withdrawing and stabilizing structure, and this type of two type group is attached, one electron releasing and another electron withdrawing. Electron releasing group attached, their structure is destabilized and resonance structure, and it gives a I plus effect, and therefore acidity is increased. And another example, electron withdrawing group attached in this type of structure, then this is the stabilized, means no resonance structure effect, and I minus effect is clear, and acidity is decreased.